I'm asked all the time of how does a parenting plan get put into place? And the best way I can explain it is the easiest way to do it is if the parents just agree. There are some fill in the blank forms online. You can go online, put them together, write it down, and you're good to go. Now, this is very rare, and I like to say it's kind of like an eclipse. In other words, it's not impossible, but a lot of things have to align for it to work. Reality is, if parents are splitting up, they're usually not on the same page of things. So for them to come up with an agreement without any help doesn't always happen, but it can under some circumstances. The next level up might be you get a little attorney assistance, some help with understanding some concepts. Maybe each have an attorney put some things down on paper and you get it done. After that, you're going to be involved in mediation. Mediation is where a neutral third party who doesn't work for you, doesn't work for your spouse, will sit down with you and try to help you guys come to an agreement that you can ultimately present to the court. If that doesn't work, oftentimes you'll have a guardian ad litem or a child rep, depending upon the child's age. But a guardian ad litem, or a GAL, is appointed to essentially become the eyes and the ears of the court. And their job is to go out there, interview the parents, interview other potential people that could impact this decision, and then they make recommendations to the court. Now, I always tell people it's really, really important to understand that this whole process, there's only two ways that this gets done. Either you reach an agreement or the judge makes a decision. And it's really, really important to understand that the guardian ad litem does not make the decision. A lot of GALs feel like they make it, and sometimes parents feel like the GAL makes the decision, but they make recommendations. Ultimately, it's up to the judge to do it. Now, some judges essentially rubber stamp a GAL. Some judges will actually listen to other evidence presented. So it's important that you work with your GAL, try to get the best recommendation, but if you don't agree with that recommendation, there are additional things you can do beyond the GAO. It's important that you have a good legal team that can go over those options for you and present them to you.